ready to fortify your WhatsApp business account against unwanted intruders. Let's get started. First, locate and tap on the WhatsApp Business app icon on your phone to open the application. Once WhatsApp Business is open, look for the three vertical dots, usually located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal the options. From the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu, where you can adjust various aspects of your WhatsApp Business account. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account. This section contains all the privacy and settings related to your WhatsApp Business account. Within the account settings, you'll find two-step verification. Tap on this option to begin the setup process. You'll now see an explanation of what two-step verification is. To continue, tap the green Turn On button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN code. Choose a PIN that is memorable for you but difficult for others to guess. Enter it carefully. Now, re-enter your chosen 6-digit PIN to confirm it. This step ensures that you've entered the correct code. Next, you'll be asked to provide a valid email address. This email address will be used to reset your PIN if you ever forget it, and is highly recommended. Enter your email address and tap Next. Time to confirm your entered email address. Hit Save, and you're all done. Two-step verification is now enabled on your WhatsApp Business account, adding an extra layer of security. This keeps your business communications secure.